Hello and welcome back to Buckland Junction. It's Al. Yes, I'm in the hobby room. Now then, this is a very short video. This was a Black 5 that Bernie from Crossways Point Junction sent me. I've just had a bash at it. The valve gear was all chewed up and the slidey bit, I don't know what that's called, the crosshead is it? And the drop link was all fallen out, and this end and the piston had dropped off as well. So it's been a real fight to get this very fine mechanism back together. I don't know if I've done it yet, but I'm in the process of hot wiring it, because it did have the little prongs here to get the power from the tender, but they was all a bit chewed up as well. So I've removed them, and I'm going to hardwire it to the tender, and hopefully we'll have a second running Black 5. So fingers crossed. And I've just blackened the wires that go between the two with the old Sharpie stick. So let's fit the body on first, the loco body on first, and then we'll go about the hot wiring next. Well, there we go. This is my weathered version of the Black 5, and just coming into view now is Bernie's pristine Black 5. Here she comes, here she comes. I have had a lot of problems with it, getting it running. It's got I did have back-to-back problems, and the valve gear has been a real monkey. Several bits were bent. I don't know if it got damaged in the post, but she's running now, but she's not that happy. So at the moment all I've got on the back is Alan from Dragon Junction's brake fan that he gave me when I visited him 2 years ago. Yes, it was already 2 years ago. So that's my weathered version. This is a super detailed from around 2000, 2002, 3. It's been a good machine so far, touch wood. And that's Bernie. So let's have a little run session to end this video. It's only a short video, so here we go. This is my Black 5 out the way. Away you go, darling. And she goes. I've had Bernie's Black 5 running for about an hour now. Yeah, she's quite warm. A bit worried about her, but wood just kept coming off because of back-to-back problems. But off you go then. Yeah, it's getting better. Maybe she just needs some more mileage. And we'll set these two off as well. That's the S15 and the Class 20 on the parcels and freight. So let's go catch them in action. Right, everything's coming up once. My Black 5. And here comes Bernie's Black 5. I think she's getting steadier, but she is putting a lot of amps for my liking. Where are you? Come on. Here she comes. Keep going. Oh, here comes the S15. Bit of train spotting from the top of the bridge. Look at the differences here. This is my my Black 5 with a load. This is Bernie's Black 5. It's getting better actually. This is the S15 with a load, and this is the Class 20 with a load. This is burning quite a bit more amplies than the rest. Well, we have the two Black 5s together. Well, I think I'll end this video now. It was only I just wanted to get Bernie's running. I think maybe with a few more hours of running it might be okay. So, two Black 5s in my fleet, one weathered and one Bernie's. A tribute to Bernie at Crossways Point Junction. Okay, I think I take these away and then that's Alan out. Here we go. That's Bernie's away and this is my old girl away. Okay, good people, take care. Very short video I know, but yeah, more coming soon. Another low relief building coming soon. Which is going to be a block of flats. It's underway already. So take care. That's Alan at Buckland Junction saying bye. Bye bye. Oh, we'll wait for the 20 if the batteries will last that long. Please hit the like button, subscribe and all those things. Take care. Alan out. Bye.